Mr. Ash Mufareh, strong and true, a man of action in all he will do. Maybe not now, maybe not today, but what he speaks is on its way. Mr. Ash Mufareh, hear the call, standing steady through it all, with vision clear and purpose sure. We believe in a man of his word, well-spoken words with a humble tone, yet the strength he carries is fully grown. A sense of humor, warm and real, with deeper truth in all you feel. Selfless giving, heart so wide, lifting others side by side, driven by more than fame or gain, a will that rises through the pain. Mr. Ash Mufareh, strong and true, a man of action in all he will do. Maybe not now, maybe not today, but what he speaks is on its way. Mr. Ash Mufareh, hear the call, standing steady through it all, with vision clear and purpose sure. We believe in a man of his word, not chasing time, but shaping it right, turning patience into life. If he says it, it will come alive, built with purpose, built to thrive. Through every phase, through every turn, what he's promised will return. Mr.